If you're looking for a Swiss watch that looks luxurious without the high luxury price tag, this video is for you. Switzerland is known for premium watchmaking, but not every great Swiss watch costs thousands of dollars. In this list, we're looking at 5 Swiss watches under $1,000 that deliver strong design, quality finishing, and a truly high-end appearance on the wrist. These are watches that look refined, well-built, and expensive, while still offering excellent value. Let's start with number 1. The Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic is one of the most iconic Swiss field watches ever made, and its reputation is built on real-world reliability rather than marketing hype. Inspired by military-issued watches, its design focuses on clarity, balance, and durability. The stainless steel case is well-proportioned, making it suitable for both smaller and larger wrists, while the brushed finishing gives it a professional and purposeful look. Nothing feels exaggerated, and that restraint is exactly what gives the watch its refined character. The dial is clean and extremely legible, with bold numerals and clear markers that can be read instantly in any lighting condition. This practical layout contributes heavily to its luxury feel, because true luxury often comes from functionality done well. Inside the watch is a Swiss automatic movement with a strong power reserve, offering dependable mechanical performance without requiring constant attention. This adds long-term value and makes the watch feel substantial and serious. On the wrist, the Khaki Field Automatic feels light, comfortable, and incredibly versatile. It works effortlessly with casual outfits, workwear, and even smart casual looks. What truly makes this watch look expensive is its confidence. It doesn't rely on flashy details or bold styling to impress. Instead, it delivers timeless design, solid construction, and a strong heritage that quietly communicates quality. This is a watch you can wear every day for years without it ever feeling outdated. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 is designed to be the ultimate all-purpose Swiss watch, blending elegance and practicality in a way that very few watches manage to achieve. Its design is calm, balanced, and mature, focusing on proportions rather than trends. The case size is ideal for daily wear, and the finishing is subtle but refined, giving the watch a polished and sophisticated appearance. The dial design is one of its strongest features. It is clean, uncluttered, and easy to read, which makes the watch feel calm and luxurious on the wrist. The applied markers and refined hands add depth without overwhelming the design. Inside, the Powermatic 80 movement provides an impressive power reserve and proven reliability, which means the watch can be worn regularly without constant winding or adjustment. On the wrist, the Gentleman feels slim, balanced, and extremely comfortable. It transitions seamlessly between different environments, from office settings to casual outings and formal occasions. What makes this watch truly worth the money is how complete it feels. You're not sacrificing design, performance, or comfort. Everything works together harmoniously, making it a true no-regrets Swiss watch that delivers understated luxury every single day. The Certina DS Action Diver Powermatic 80 is a professional-grade dive watch that combines toughness with refined Swiss engineering. Built to meet ISO dive standards, this watch is designed for serious underwater use, yet it still manages to look elegant and well-finished. The case construction feels solid and secure, while the ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal elevate its overall quality. The dial is bold, clear, and highly legible, ensuring visibility in low light and underwater conditions. The luminous markers and hands are strong and long-lasting, reinforcing its professional tool watch identity. Inside the watch is the Powermatic 80 movement, offering both mechanical reliability and extended power reserve. This movement adds to the sense of confidence and long-term durability. On the wrist, the DS Action Diver feels powerful but controlled. It has strong presence without feeling excessive or uncomfortable. What makes this watch look luxurious is how well it balances function and form. It's tough enough for extreme conditions, yet refined enough to wear daily. This dual personality makes it one of the best Swiss dive watches under $1,000. And a true value-for-money luxury option. The Mido Ocean Star 200 is one of the most underrated Swiss watches when it comes to luxury appearance and overall value. At first glance, it presents a clean, modern, and very controlled design that avoids unnecessary bulk or aggressive styling, which is often seen in dive watches. The case proportions are well judged, allowing the watch to feel solid without becoming oversized. The case finishing is smooth and polished in the right areas, while the brushed surfaces add contrast and refinement. The bracelet feels solid and well constructed, giving the watch a reassuring weight and a premium feel on the wrist. The dial design is where the Ocean Star 200 really shows its quality. For a dive watch, it manages to look elegant without sacrificing functionality. Legibility is excellent, with clear markers and hands that are easy to read in all lighting conditions. The applied indices, polished hands, and subtle dial textures add depth and sophistication, making the watch feel more expensive than its price suggests. Inside, the automatic movement provides reliable Swiss performance along with a strong power reserve, making it suitable for both daily wear and more demanding situations. On the wrist, the Ocean Star 200 feels comfortable, well-balanced, and confidently built. It sits naturally on the wrist and remains easy to wear for long periods, even as an everyday watch. What truly sets this model apart is its versatility. It works just as well with casual outfits as it does with more polished or smart casual looks, which is rare for a dive watch. What makes this watch look expensive is its restraint and maturity. It doesn't try to dominate the wrist or draw unnecessary attention. Instead, it delivers quiet confidence, strong build quality, and refined Swiss design that feels genuinely premium and timeless. The Longines Flagship Heritage Black Dial represents classic Swiss elegance at its finest, and it perfectly reflects the long history and identity of the Longines brand. Inspired by vintage Longines designs, this watch focuses on timeless proportions, clean lines, and carefully refined details rather than modern trends. The black dial gives it a sophisticated and formal appearance, while the polished stainless steel case enhances its overall luxury presence without feeling excessive or flashy. The dial layout is intentionally simple and symmetrical, which is one of the key reasons this watch looks so refined. Every element is thoughtfully placed, making the watch easy to read while maintaining a calm and balanced aesthetic. The applied markers and elegant hands add depth and subtle contrast, catching the light in a way that feels understated and premium. Inside the watch is a reliable Swiss automatic movement, which adds mechanical value and reinforces the feeling of long-term quality and dependability. On the wrist, the Flagship Heritage feels slim, light, and incredibly comfortable, making it ideal for extended wear throughout the day. It pairs effortlessly with formal attire, business wear, and even smart casual outfits, adapting easily to different occasions without ever feeling out of place. What truly makes this watch look expensive is its timeless nature. It doesn't chase trends, oversized cases, or bold styling. Instead, it delivers quiet luxury, strong heritage, and classic Swiss elegance that will remain relevant for decades. This sense of permanence and refinement is exactly why the Flagship Heritage is the perfect watch to close out this list.